हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू दी चैनल। इस वीडियो में डिस्कस करेंगे टॉप 50 प्लस इकोनॉमिक्स वन लाइनर क्वेश्चंस जो आने वाले सभी एग्जाम के लिए मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट है। तो वीडियो आपको एंड तक देखनी है। फर्स्ट हम टॉप 50 क्वेश्चंस देखेंगे वन लाइनर एंड सेकेंड पार्ट में वी विल डिस्कस टॉप 5 क्वेश्चंस इन द फॉर्म ऑफ MCQ जिनके आंसर आपको कमेंट सेक्शन में लिख के बताना है। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। First question is, which sector contributes the most to India's gross national product or GNP? Answer is tertiary sector. Where is the National Institute of Rural Development located? Answer, Hyderabad. Which institution controls India's monetary policy? Answer, Reserve Bank of India or RBI. Which was the first Indian bank to be ISO certified? Answer, Canara Bank. Trade, transport, communication and services come under which sector? Answer, tertiary sector. What comes under the primary sector of Indian economy? Answer, agriculture. What comes under the secondary sector of Indian economy? Answer, industry, electricity and construction. What is the most dynamic factor of production? Answer, capital. Who is known as the father of economics? Answer, Adam Smith. The continuous rise in prices is known as? Answer, inflation. What does closed economy mean? Answer, no import export. Who first estimated national income in India? Answer, Dadabhai Nauroji. Who is considered the pioneer of liberalization in Indian economy? Answer, Dr. Manmohan Singh. Who was the founder of the Sarvodaya scheme? Answer, Jai Prakash Narayan. Inflation in India is calculated on the basis of? Answer, Wholesale Price Index or WPI. What is the first fixed capital bank in India? Answer, Bank of Hindustan. What type of economy does India have? Answer, mixed economy. What does mixed economy mean? Answer, coexistence of public and private sectors. What kind of country is India economically? Answer, developing country. What is the basis of economic growth? Answer, production. In 1955, Imperial Bank was nationalized to form which bank? Answer, State Bank of India or SBI. Terms Manda and Teja are related to which sector? Answer, share market. What type of unemployment is primarily found in India? Answer, structural unemployment. Where is the Indian Institute of Foreign Trade located? Answer, in New Delhi. Money is what money does. Who gave this definition? Answer, Volcker. What is the objective of Make in India campaign? Answer, to make India a manufacturing hub. Gresham's law is related to? Answer, circulation of money. Who gave the theory of consumer saving? Answer, Alfred Marshall. Where is the headquarters of RBI or Reserve Bank of India located? Answer Mumbai. Who issues the 1 rupee note in India? Answer Ministry of Finance. When was the National Development Council formed? Answer in 1952. When was the Planning Commission of India established? Answer in 1950. Who has the sole authority to issue paper currency in India? Answer Reserve Bank of India. Which Indian state has the highest urbanization rate? Answer Maharashtra. When was the Reserve Bank of India nationalized? Answer 1st January in 1949. Who proposed the Big Push theory? Answer Rodin. Which is the Export-Import Bank of India? Answer Exim Bank. Money creates its own demand. Who said this? Answer Crowther. What is the major source of India's national income? Answer service tax. What does cheap money mean? Answer lower interest rates. Where was India's first mobile bank established? Answer Khargone, Madhya Pradesh. What is the policy called that the central bank implements through quantitative tools? Answer monetary policy. What is the term for decrease in money supply? Answer is contraction of money. When did India's first 5-year plan begin? Answer in 1951. What do we call an economy where government expenses exceed income? Answer deficit income. What is the full form of NABARD? Answer National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development. Narasimham committee is related to? Answer banking reforms. Where is the currency note press located? Answer Nasik. Main reason for structural unemployment? Answer inadequate production capacity. And last question is, disguised unemployment in India is mainly seen in? Answer एग्रीकल्चर। अब हम देखेंगे टॉप 5 MCQs जिनके आंसर आपको कमेंट सेक्शन में लिखना है एंड आंसर हम पिन भी कर देंगे। पहला है, हु सेड सप्लाई क्रिएट्स इट्स ओन डिमांड? Second question is, according to the Niti Aayog's Physical Health Index 2025, which state emerged as the top performer with the highest overall score? State name Gujarat, B Maharashtra, C Odisha and D is Karnataka. Third question is, the continuous rise in physical deficit can lead to A. Increase in inflation, B. Fall in government borrowing, C. Increase in public debt and D is increase in budget surplus. Question 4. What does the duration of the second 5-year plan? And last question is, the tax imposed on import and export of commodities is known as A. Custom duties, B. Excise duties, C. VAT and D is GST. तो सभी के आंसर आपको अपना स्कोर कमेंट सेक्शन में लिख के बताना है। वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो लाइक कर दीजिए, शेयर कर दीजिए। चैनल पे नए हैं तो सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए ताकि आने वाली वीडियोस की नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिलते रहे।